Lab 5C Programming. In this lab, we will discuss how to compile and run C programs, C language codes in Ubuntu. The tools required in this lab are Ubuntu operating system, gedit, and GCC. The task we are going to perform: case statement in shell, while loop, if statement, if else statements. Text editor. Gedit is the default GUI text editor in the Ubuntu operating system. It is UTF-8 compatible and supports most standard text editor features as well as many advanced features. Gedit is suited for both basic and more advanced text editing and is released under the GNU General Public License. The GNU Compiler Collection (GCC) is a collection of compilers and libraries for C, C++, Objective-C, Fortran, Ada, Go, and D programming languages. Many open source projects, including the GNU tools and the Linux kernel, are compiled with GCC. This lab covers the steps required to install GCC compiler on Ubuntu stable version and the latest version of GCC. The default Ubuntu repositories contain a meta package named Build Essential that contains the GCC compiler and a lot of libraries and other utilities required for compiling software. Start by updating the package list. Sudo space apt update. Install the build essential package by typing sudo space apt install build essentials. The command installs a bunch of new packages including GCC, G++, and make. To validate that GCC compiler is successfully installed, use the GCC version command, which prints the GCC version. The default version of GCC available in the Ubuntu 18.0 for repositories is 7.4.0. Now let's discuss how to compile a Hello World program example. Compiling a basic C or C++ program using GCC is pretty easy. Open your text editor, gedit, and create the following file like nano hello.c. In hello.c, you can type include stdio.h int main printf hello world. Simple hello world program of C you write in your text editor. Save the file and compile it into an executable using the following command: gcc hello.c -o space hello. This will create a binary file named hello in the same directory where you run the command. Execute the hello program with /hello. This is how you can install GCC on Ubuntu. Start by updating the packages list by typing this command. Install the build essential package by typing sudo space apt install build essentials. And at number 3, validate that GCC compiler is successfully installed. Use the gcc space --version command. The default version of GCC available in the Ubuntu 18.04 repository is 7.4.0, and here is the output. Com Compiling a Hello World example. This is the example we will compile on the GCC compiler. You are required to create a file hello.c by executing this command. On your text editor, you may use gedit or any of your favorite text editors in Ubuntu and type this text in hello.c. Printf hello world. This is a simple C program you want to compile. After writing these statements in hello.c, save the file and compile it into the executable using the following command: gcc hello.c -o hello. This will create a binary file named hello in the same directory where you run the command. Execute the hello program with ./hello. The program should print. In the same way, you can print switch statements, while, do while, and if and else statements in Ubuntu environment.